It's cool.
I'll make sure y'all in one of the videos. Yay! What up, though? What up, though? This Fast from Fashion Treat, and we're in for a hell of a treat. Check me out. One hand.
If you want,
Send it up. Can you show you quick?
thirsty.
Do a zoom in.
If you want, I have a meze with zero chicken, little pork, little lamb. If you want little souvlaki, you want share.
No, we're good.
No lamb, no pork.
No pork, chicken.
You want to try something? They don't like to eat.
Okay.
They like to drink.
We good. I'm just trying to.
You want some cheese and olives? Look, this is it. That's just the other side of it. There's two sides. Same place.
But where is the accent? It was a group that had. Go ahead and make it fall.
That's a lot of damn beer, I ain't gonna lie.
It's a lot. How did you make these people put it? I would have stopped your ass.
Well, from getting this. Don't worry, baby. At least you know where I'll be at later.
Sleep.
You'll know.
One for the ladies. For you, my friend, we need two.
2 or 3,
And
yeah.
another two.
There we go.
Yes, exactly.
Did you say 5 minutes? 1:49 in PM.
Before have a one man will finish this one, eh?
PM.
Yamas.
Hold on.
I'm gonna show you something. I'm recording some of this damn food over here.
That is unbelievable.
$200.
On his face. Oh my God. I'm going to sit and watch you drink that.
He done told these people to put the beer in the damn glass vase.
Did not like, I hope you don't be mad. I like them all except for the one with the A on it.
Alcohol.
I did not.
Yes, it's special beer. You need food to drink this beer.
See, by me, I don't smoke cigarettes, and it tasted like I was smoking a cigarette.
Yeah, you need calamari. You know, you need seafood to.
Oh, seafood with it. Okay,
drink-
so I'll let the
drink
people
this
know
beer.
next time when you buy
Yeah.
this beer, get your crab cake.
Yeah, yeah.
Only crab cake can make this beer good. But the others, you can do it with anything. Corn chips, potato chips, whatever.
So funny. Is he like this at home? Oh well, you'll never have a dull moment, will you?
Woo! These two I'm gonna put on my wall.
So,
I came,
so he's got his
I
own
conquered.
website. Has he got his own website?
I'm put these in my bag and put them on my wall. Huh?
What's your Facebook? Show me.
The cart went up. I said, girl, you better get to the other side. I think we too heavy. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. When I came to Greece, though, you know who I thought about? I thought about Benny Hill. You know Benny Hill?
Oh, I love Benny Hill.
Oh my God, he's hilarious, right?
What is it? The fastest milkman. What is it? In the West. In the West. Yeah.
Yes, Benny Hill, yeah. That was the first thing I thought about when I got here. I know he's not from here, but I think he's from the UK.
He is, yeah.
And I thought about him because of some guys sitting in a little room looking at a TV and they was laughing. Like, I'm like, they must be watching Benny Hill. You know what I mean? I don't know what they were watching though.
You?
Yeah. I mean, comedian work is good, but I'm gonna tell you, you got to be really ready for it because I'm gonna tell you, when people don't laugh, you don't drink. I'm telling you.
So you're always going on trips. So which is the most popular cruise line, do you think?
Carnival.
Carnival. Yeah, I've done a carnival.
Stop.
I haven't seen everybody 10 years now.
You, man, country break into my beer factory. They want to take my beer. Kill, come. We need more soldiers. Come now. 2 more.
It's nearly done, yeah? Oh.
Go on.
King of the Valley. No more soft drinks. No more Pepsi, no more Coke. Only beer. Thank you, everybody. Receipt. Time to pay.
You will be in the Wall of Fame.
Yeah.
In the Wall of Fame.
All the way in Greece, baby.
There's nothing to me.
I feel good. Now, y'all. This joint is just too much to take out, I'm telling you. I think it's a different beer because this one is darker.
A couple of weeks before I came here, Jamie said, my dad's talking about going away. I don't know what it's like.